Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be another hair tutorial. This wig is by RPGSHOW. They sent me this style. It's kind of like a balayage dirty blonde, perfect for like the summertime right now. This is one of their glueless wigs. They have a new construction where the top of the wig fits a lot more snug on your head. It doesn't lift up like the other wig companies and wig brands. I will show a picture of what it looks like. I've obviously already fitted my lace. I do still use a spray just you know, for extra security, but you can wear these wigs glueless. All you need to do is just adjust the elastic band and the little like clips at the back and it would sit more snug. I'm just going to show you how I install it real quickly. I'm just going to cut off the lace. It is their 18th anniversary, so happy anniversary RPGSHOW wig. I also have some discount codes down below as well. So we are going to go straight into the video. Okay, I just added some curls just to kind of give it some more volume. This is the finished look. It's really, really easy. I really love this color. Yeah, this is definitely perfect for summertime. This is a 200% density. I really hope like in the future they do think about making maybe a 250 or 300 because I feel like this with a lot more volume will be amazing. And also longer lengths too. I think the longest is 20 inches. I will put the info down below. This hair holds a curl really, really well. So this curl I feel like I'm gonna have for like a couple days. But yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.